Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to fit an image in circle and outline color in CorelDraw. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use CorelDraw. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to my Corel workspace. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we come to the top right here. So I'm going to click on this icon right here. So when you click on this icon, it means that you want to import image or object into a CorelDraw, or better still, you can press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. So when you press Ctrl+I, you are getting the same result. So this window here is going to pump up. Then from your PC, you can simply choose the image you would like to import into your Corel workspace. Okay. So I'm going to import this particular image right here. Then I'll click on import. Then right here, I will just drag down this way to have my image perfectly imported into a CorelDraw. So now let's see how we can fit this particular image in a circle with outline color in CorelDraw. So the next thing we need to do is to go to our toolbar right here. I'm going to make sure I click on my circle. Then to draw a perfect circle, you have to press Ctrl key down on your keyboard and draw your perfect circle. So you can draw as big as possible. Next thing I'm going to do is to press P just to centralize this particular circle into the workspace. Now I want to simply reduce the size of this circle. So I have to make sure I press Shift key on my keyboard and drag in a little bit. Okay, so with that, I have my circle adjust perfectly. Now I want to fit this image inside the circle. So for us to do that, what we need to do here is to simply select on the image. When you select on the image, you have to come to the top right here. You go to Objects, then go to Power Clip, then make sure you click on Place Inside Frame. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the circle, then the image will automatically move into the circle. Now you have to edit this image to fit in the right position you want it to be and align with a particular circle. For us to do that, we need to edit the content. So we have to come to the top right here, we click on edit, and it takes us to a new window whereby we need to adjust the image. So I'm going to select the image right here and give a proper adjustment of the image, just like so. So I'm going to increase the image size. I will just drag from this corner right here. Then I need the edge shoot to be bold, just like so. Then one more thing we can do here, I can simply rotate this particular image or flip this image to other side. For us to do that, I will just come to the top right here and flip to mirror horizontal. We have it this way. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with stuff like this. Then next thing I'm going to do here is to simply increase the size of the image more a little bit. Then I will properly drag it into the circle. Okay, so with my arrow key, I will take it up to the little bit. So I think I'm satisfied with the result right here. Once you are able to achieve the right result, next thing you need to do is to click on Finish right here. Then you have it this way. Next thing we can do right here is to apply outline color. For us to do that, we simply come to the color palette right here. We can add any type of outline color. So I'm going to right click on here just to outline with blue color. Then I'll come to the width right here. I will make sure I increase the width to something like this. That's too much. I can make it to 16, just like so. So I can also increase the size as much as possible. So I will just press Shift key on my keyboard and drag to increase the size, just like so. So I can also increase this stroke width to back to 20 width, just like so. I'm good with that. So basically, this is how to simply fit image into a circle and circle outline color in CorelDraw. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use CorelDraw. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.